everybody, April from Left Hook Creations here. I got a beautiful new blow dryer so I can actually try to do a Dutch pour that might actually work out well. I've only gotten one to work so far because the blow dryer I was using was about, I don't know, 15, 20 years old. This one has a lot of power and I have never used it. You can tell by the fact that there's no paint on it yet. So I'm really excited to start using that today. So, get my cup here. So I'm gonna keep it simple. And I still feel like my colors might be a little bit thick. For a Dutch pour, you have to be a little thinner with your paint consistency so that it blows around properly. So this might still be too thick. I don't know yet. But this is an experiment. I'm gonna see how well this blow dryer works and how well this consistency works, and then I'll know next time if I need to thin it out or not. So let's get spreading. Let's see, I might even try to do this with the blow dryer. I've literally never used this before, so let's try low. Okay, so I don't know if you saw all of that, but my God, did that paint move. So I think that at least the consistency is okay. So that's good. I'm not even gonna try to get this corner. That was almost comical how easily that paint moved across the canvas. So I have high hopes for this now. I was a little skeptical if this would even work, because like I said, I've had really terrible luck, but I think it was just my blow dryer being generally awful. All right, so I just blew air all through this white, so I'm going to make sure I get rid of all of my bubbles that might be in my paint that I may have just put into my paint. That was so hilarious. Okay, so I'm trying to decide if I want to do a line or a puddle. I don't know. But I have some really cool colors. I have a green here. These are all Liquitex colors, by the way. Look at this beautiful, beautiful color. It's so pretty. I have this beautiful, I want to say this was aqua blue? I don't remember. And I don't have the things with me. This is a folk art rose gold. That is gorgeous. And a folk art metallic black. This just looks like, I don't know, looks like it's got stars in it. I love it. So let's see, what do I want to do first? I kind of want to do like a diagonal line. Let's go with a diagonal line. First, let me get my edges really quick here while I'm talking. So like I said, I've done this quite a few times. That did not work out, and I've scraped all but 2 of those paintings. And honestly, the one I should have probably scraped anyway. It did not come out well. Like I said, the paint just didn't move. It did not want to spread out, and it just kind of stuck in one spot and kind of blended together because I was just blowing it around in one area. So I'm really hoping that this works out better today. Okay. Paper towel. All right. Now that I'm all painted, let's put some color down. This stuff looks runny enough, so hopefully it is. Okay. Then I kind of want to do this one. And then I think I might do rose gold. Well, no, you know what? I'm gonna do black next. I don't know if there's a rhyme or a reason to layering these, but we're gonna just wing it anyway. And I don't want a lot of this, so I'm just gonna put a little line. I also don't want a ton of green. I want a little bit more than that though. And then maybe some rose gold on top of everything. Okay, that looks like a good start. Hopefully I don't just blow everything completely apart. That was the low setting too, guys. Like, I wouldn't even be able to use the high setting. Maybe I could mix my paint like I normally do, a little thicker, and be okay with the high set. I don't know. I don't know. All right, now I'm gonna do just a little bit of flooding, but not a lot, because I think that this stuff is gonna move just fine. And let's see what happens. Okay, cool. There's already some really cool stuff happening. It's my handy dandy straw. Do I want to mess with this? That is the question. And do I want to do that with a straw or not? Super happy with that. I'm gonna just get rid of some of the, what is that? I might have to fix that. Now there's some air. Just do it quick because I don't want to make any more cells. There's plenty. This is cool, whatever's happening here. Wow, let me bring you guys down for a close-up. I'll probably still mess with this a little bit, but hopefully it'll kind of stay how it is. So let's do a close-up. Okay, here's from my perspective. This is probably my favorite part right here. Like especially this green, I love that. I'm a big fan of whatever's happening here with these huge cells. Some of this just looks so beautiful and delicate. Oh, anyway, so this came out really great. If you want to see the one and only other Dutch pour that I have done that I thought came out really great, this is cool up here too. But if you want to see that, I'm going to put a link at the end of this video that should be popping up right about now, and you can go ahead and click on that and watch that pour. So yeah, let me know what you think. Like this video if you think this is great, and I will see you next time.